How to install Redwood Credit Union app. So just tap get and you will be able to install it. Bank safely and securely from anywhere. Pay bills, card controls, transfer funds. Our best loans, credit cards and rates right in the palm of your hand. Looking for a low rate credit card at new vehicle. Applying for a loan either than ever. Just create your account, face and secure login with Face ID or Touch ID. Update your address, use the new quick balance widget, view an overview of accounts, loans, credit card and investments, order new checks, stop payment on the check, set up and edit account alerts. So yeah, just open it up and that's how you can see notifications. You can access the camera and then a lot of permission, and then you can just register with digital banking here. So that's what it is. So yeah, try that out.